Regularly cleaning your vacuum's dust cup and filters is an important part of maintaining powerful suction and cleaning performance. To empty the dust cup, remove the hand vac from the wand. With the hand vac over the trash, push the slider to open and empty debris. Or you can fully remove the dust cup from the hand vac. To do so, press the release button and tilt out. Then push the slider open to empty. To access the pre-motor filters, remove the dust cup from the hand vac. The filters can be found at the back of the dust cup. Underneath where the dust cup sits on the hand vac, you will also find the post-motor filter housing that pulls out. Rinse the post-motor filter once a year and the pre-motor filters once a month with water only. With the dust cup removed from the hand vac, you can also rinse it out to remove extra debris. To dry the dust cup, place it on its side with the lid open. Allow the filters and the dust cup to air dry completely for at least 24 hours before reinstalling. Once the filters are completely dry, reinstall the post-motor filter into the hand vac. Next, return the pre-motor filters into the dust cup. Foam filter first, then the felt filter with the tab. Replace the dust cup in the hand vac by tilting it in until it clicks into place. Tap off loose dirt between washes when needed. Replacement filters can be found at sharkaccessories.com. For additional support, visit sharkclean.com.